Welcome back to Nature's Harmony, the podcast where we dive deep into the wonders of the plant world. I'm Mia, and as always, I'm joined by my co-host, Tyler. Tyler, how's your herbal journey been this week?
Oh, Mia, it's been wonderful. I spent a good part of my week out in the garden and the woods, and let me tell you, I hit the jackpot with elderflowers. I harvested enough to make tea, syrup, and even a batch of elderflower champagne. There's something truly special about working with plants you've foraged yourself.
That sounds amazing. Elderflower champagne is one of those old-world recipes that just never gets old. Before we dive deeper into today's discussion, let's remind our listeners. We're not doctors, just two herbal enthusiasts sharing our experiences and research. Always consult a professional before using any plants medicinally.
Absolutely. So today, we're focusing on elderflowers and elderberries, specifically Sambucus nigra, also known as black elder. It's an incredible plant used for generations for both food and medicine.
And it's super easy to recognize, isn't it? It usually grows as a woody shrub or small tree, commonly planted in gardens, parks, or along woodland edges. The leaves are compound, with 5 to 9 leaflets, each having serrated edges, and the flowers bloom in wide, flat clusters of creamy white blossoms.
Exactly. And those blossoms turn into dark, purple-black berries later in the season, usually late summer or early fall depending on your climate. It's a beautiful plant. I guess this is why so many people are planting it in their homes. But we need to mention right off the bat, elder has some toxic lookalikes. The dwarf elder, Sambucus ebulus, is herbaceous and toxic, so proper identification is crucial.
Great point. Let's dive deeper into elderflowers first. Tyler, what are your favorite ways to use elderflowers?
I absolutely love elderflower tea, especially for cold and flu season. The flowers have mild antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for clearing sinuses and helping with respiratory issues. It's gentle, effective, and comforting.
I'm with you there. Elderflower tea has that diaphoretic property too. It encourages sweating, helping your body gently break fevers. Yesterday I dried my elderflower harvest, so I'll have plenty for teas and tinctures all winter long.
Smart. Elderflower cordial is another fantastic option. It's easy. Steep the blossoms in water, add lemon and sugar, and you've got a delicious, refreshing drink that lasts months. Plus, it's great for introducing friends and family to herbal remedies in a tasty way.
Totally. Elderflower honey is another delightful way to use them. Drizzle it over fruit, add to tea, or just take a spoonful for a gentle, soothing boost. Have you tried elderflower ointment?
Yes, it's incredible for skin issues. Infuse elderflowers in oil, combine with beeswax, and you have a soothing salve, perfect for rashes, burns, or irritated skin. A must-have in any herbal medicine chest.
Another wonderful use is elderflower hydrosol. Perfect as a facial toner, it calms irritated skin and refreshes you on a hot day.
Hydrosol is a great addition. Now let's shift to elderberries, the powerhouse of this plant. Elderberries are rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which boost immune health and fight inflammation. But remember, elderberries must be cooked to neutralize naturally occurring toxins.
Right. Raw elderberries can cause stomach upset, so cooking is essential. You know, elderberry syrup is my go-to remedy for winter illnesses. Simmer berries with honey, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. It's delicious, comforting, and scientifically backed to reduce the duration of colds and flu.
Another delicious and medicinal option is elderberry oxymel, a traditional herbal remedy using vinegar and honey. The vinegar enhances extraction of beneficial compounds and preserves the berries effectively.
I love to use this technique for elderberries and other plants as well. You know that elderberry tinctures are another valuable preparation method. A simple alcohol tincture captures medicinal qualities effectively, offering a long shelf life. Combine elderberry tincture with echinacea for even more immune support.
We haven't mentioned yet that elderberries are also packed with essential nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, organic acids, vitamins, and minerals. They're especially rich in polyphenols, which help fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body.
Right. The berries contain healthy fatty acids like alpha-linolenic, linoleic, and oleic acid, which contribute to overall well-being. Plus, elderflowers contain significant amounts of hydroxycinnamic acids, with chlorogenic acid being particularly noteworthy. Studies show it may help prevent and treat cancer.
And let's not forget quercetin, a powerhouse flavonoid found in elder. It's great for treating allergies, viral infections, inflammation, and circulatory issues.
Speaking of allergies, elder has been found to be highly effective in reducing allergy symptoms, especially respiratory-related ones like sinus congestion, sneezing, and seasonal allergies. It's a must-have remedy for anyone sensitive to pollen.
Elder is also fantastic for supporting lung health. It works on both upper and lower respiratory tracts, helping with conditions like sinusitis, pneumonia, and bronchitis. Plus, it helps loosen mucus and clear congestion.
Amazing! And did you know elderwood was traditionally used to make musical instruments?
Really?
Yes! There's even a wind instrument called a sambuca named after the plant.
That's fascinating. It just shows how intertwined elder is with human history, from medicine to music.
Before we wrap up, let's go over how to properly make tinctures, since they're one of the best ways to preserve elder's medicinal benefits.
Great idea. To make an elderberry tincture, start with dried or fresh elderberries. Fill a jar about halfway with berries, then top it off with high-proof alcohol like vodka or brandy. Seal the jar, shake it daily, and let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks in a dark place. After that, strain out the berries and store the liquid in a dropper bottle. Keep it in your fridge for a longer shelf life, and take a few drops when needed for immune support.
That's a perfect guide. And let's quickly go over making an elderflower tincture. Same process, but using fresh or dried elderflowers instead. This is great for fevers, colds, and even stress relief.
Listeners, if you've enjoyed this deep dive into elderflowers and elderberries, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us grow this community.
And of course, to see more herbal tips and content. We've also added some links for recommended products in the description for those of you who prefer an easier start. Look below.
Until next time, stay wild, stay curious, and keep exploring the magic of plants around you.